Let's see how to insert size symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. So to insert your size symbol, simply look for it in the symbols that is featured in Microsoft Word. So first off, click on the Insert tab. Now click on Symbols right here on the far right. Click on More Symbols to open your entire selection of symbols. Now, since psi is a Greek letter, make sure that you are in the Greek and Coptic subset right here. And look for the symbol that almost looks like a fork or a trident. So it is this one right here, as also denoted by the name, which is the Greek letter psi. Now go ahead and click on Insert to insert that into your document. And as you can see, we now have our side symbol right there. Or if you don't want to open your symbols window, you can also manually type in the code 03C8 and click on Alt X on your keyboard. And that should also transform into psi symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.